Hey, it's Dave with Someday is Today RV, and I just wanted to share with you a new modification I did on my Airstream. These are push-offs. If you have the zippy awning that's motorized that comes with some of the Airstream trailers, initially, at least from the factory, they had this mounted here. Sorry about that. And really that was more of a spacer than anything, so I decided, because you can see they were rounded, now they're like this, both of them at both sides. I decided to get the push-offs, and these I got from an Airstream dealership, Woodland Airstream, and put them on very easily, and they sort of push a little bit when you open it up, and that way you don't get stuck. Sometimes it used to stick opening up the awning, that is, and this really seems to help. So I do recommend this. This is one of the SIT RV flash tips, and hope it helps you out. Thank you. Take care and see you down the road.